Hi everybody, welcome back to All DIY No Skills. So I'm going to give you my little tip on a nice green lawn. What I like to use is this liquid fertilizer about every 6 weeks or so, and in between that I spread some Milorganite. So this is an 18-3-6, so 18% nitrogen, 3% phosphoric acid, 6% potassium, a little bit of copper, a little bit of iron, but we're going to add more iron into the mix also. So we're going to spread that using this Scott's 4-gallon backpack sprayer. 4 gallons is enough to cover my front lawn, and this thing works pretty decently. It's a little shake. So according to the instructions, 3 ounces fertilizer per 1,000 square feet. I'm like 20, I'm about 3,000 ish, almost close to 4,000 in the front, but whatever. I like to use the whole 4-gallon mix. So we're gonna do 3 times 4, 12 ounces of this. Get yourself a cheap little measuring cup. More. A little bit more. Perfect. So this stuff is a liquid fertilizer is great, because unlike a pellet or a granular fertilizer, it's not going to burn the lawn as badly, and you can control the spread a lot easier. Now you could pick both of these up on Amazon, but get whatever you want. Not sponsored by any of this stuff, so I don't care. For this, we're doing 8 ounces per 1,000 square feet per gallon. So we're going to do 4 gallons, 8 times 4. We're going to do 32 ounces of the iron. And if we go a little heavy, that's okay. It's not going to hurt the lawn. So this is 16 ounces. We're going to do almost 2 full cups of this stuff. One. Look at that. Finished the bottle, a little bit over 16 ounces. That's fine, that's perfect. We don't have to open up the other bottle. Fill our sprayer up with water. Now you could also add some surfactant to this. The surfactant basically helps it, it's like a soap, it helps it stick to the leaf blades. So let's actually do that. I forgot to grab that. There we go. Surfactant. It's tinted blue because every once in a while, especially when I'm doing spraying for weeds with Tenacity or Triclopyr. It's nice to have a blue dye in there just so you know where you went, so you're not overspraying. You don't need to measure this out, just a little bit will do. What's the directions on this? 1 teaspoon per gallon, so like 4 teaspoons in the sprayer. You could eyeball it, it's fine. But yeah, with the herbicides like Tenacity, Triclopyr, you want to be a little bit more accurate with your spraying. So there's a lawn dye, it's blue, lets you know exactly where you sprayed and where you still got to spray. We're about 4 gallons, almost full. Let me see. No, it's all foam. You see the surfactant gets it all foamy like that. Let's put this back on. Yeah, we're about good over there. Not quite a full 4 gallons, but like I said, it doesn't really matter. Get this on. Release our little lever. Wand off. Backpack on. Try to grab the wand from behind us. There we go. And we'll build up the pressure by pumping it a few times. And we spray. And we'll just keep pumping the whole time. Make sure we have adequate pressure. And we could use our mow lines as a guide line, so we could see where we were, where we still gotta spray. We saw the other week TruGreen treating my neighbor's lawns, but my lawn, my grass still gets greener than theirs. And that's what we do. We just go back and forth. Still gotta fix up this spot a little bit. Of course, wear all your proper PPE. Wink, wink, like we always do. And you want to spray this on the grass. Leave it on for a little bit so that the grass blades absorb it. So this is a foliar application. So the blades of grass itself are going to absorb all the nutrients, the nitrogen, the potassium, the iron that we're putting down. After a few hours, letting the grass absorb it, then you water it in gently and you're good to go. By the time you're mowing again, you'll see your grass is growing a lot faster, but it's also going to have a nice dark green from the iron that you're putting on it. and pretty repetitive, but therapeutic at the same time. A nice little stroll on the grass, and you could actually see when we come up to the property line how the grass changes between my grass and the neighbor's grass. Mine's a much deeper, darker green. And I'm not gonna make this video too long because it's the same thing over and over again. So I'll finish up, and that's it. Thanks again. Take care.